Arvind Kejriwal making a big charge at the Bharatiya Janata Party with the fake vote charge. Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party convener and former CM, says 7 members of parliament, and they are from the BJP, asked to get fake votes. Says new voter applications are for the fake votes and that also are coming in soon. Arvind Kejriwal is making a huge charge, saying Chief Minister Atashi sought time to meet the Chief Election Commissioner. That didn't happen. And then he's saying, and without taking a direct name, because these days how he's been referring to the BJP's Gali Galoch party, the party that abuses. And he then says, I'm quoting from the statement of Arvind Kejriwal, according to sources, the Gali Galoch party has given targets to its 7 MPs. The 7 MPs, you must know, in Delhi are all from the Bharatiya Janata Party. He adds that they have been asked to get fake votes made in the New Delhi Legislative Assembly, from where Arvind Kejriwal is contesting. And in the next few days, you'll see many applications for new votes that will come in. Everyone should keep an eye on it. So it's a big conspiracy charge. He's aiming for not just the BJP or the Gali Galoch party, as he says, but also the Chief Election Commissioner and the EC. He says that Atashi has sought time to meet the CEC. We hope that the time will come in soon. Let's listen in now. Remember, the same question, similar one, was put to the Chief Election Commissioner when and ahead of the press conference. Here's what CEC Rajiv Kumar said.
और दूसरी बात, अगर किसी वजह से मान लिया 1% हो गया, तो जब आज 5 जनवरी से लेके अक्टूबर तक का टाइम है, उसके बीच में फॉर्म्स क्यों नहीं भरे जाते कि ये डिलीट कर दिया जाए या इसको नया जोड़ दिया जाए? Only at the time of elections, when it is happening in that particular state, these kind of issues are raised. This is absolutely impossible. किसी BLO के द्वारा अगर कोई भी 1-2 नाम इधर-उधर हो गया, उसको करेक्ट करने के सफिशिएंट मौके हैं, और अगर ऐसी सूचना कोई हमारे सामने आती है तो we'll take action also against them.